Yeah, are we doing some tummy time? And also having the hiccups? Are you almost 3 weeks old? There we go. You're doing a good job. Yeah, it's hard work, isn't it? Good little buddy.